bw'umuguzi.
Wairire biya mwancho muri wetasene Kyandize TV ninde no kwegena emaragoba yao ningia Chitariki ni komi na mo chumutinyo kane omwaka bwechirwe 2024 ngukwarigania twimanyamangana maya senjera yowenge eretariane Dorcas Kimoma na nigo charagire chinsa komi chabono maragoba oyo tokubwatira nere okumanya wetira asenjera yemanyerio nere Lydia Mose nabo igo Sara Mumanye okone kingamarigine chibicha wikira senjera yowikirano nabo tubwatya wetira senjera yemitandao asensemo ya Facebook otonyabuna Ndizi TV News Digital ase website yetu tonyora buna www.ndizitv.net na bayo ase mtandao o Facebook o YouTube no watonyora buna Ndizi TV News. Nigo egati yabamenye kurase ebunge yabo basi asomoche oitibo bono bagokeire okubwatoka wechi basari goche asabana bechi university amona bari abechi college bagukwana nigitasene Kyandize TV nigo batebna nigo baguswereigwe egurube yo gwakana school fees ase abana bari ase school che university banyora chibesa chishilingi chiribu 10 na bari chi university college bagochikonyora chibesa chiribu 5
igo twamera rero mna abantu baitibo ase ngenjo yogobongeso mushimi wito Honorable Innocent Obiri Mumanyi ekiagera garuete pasari etana koruwa ngagenda yonse chiribu 10 asa abana be university abana ba diploma ka bachiribu 5 igo mushimi wito wakoleta mangana maya ugusuira abaibuli musigo
nanje buno musane ona chirega iga wapongeso mushimi wito Innocent Obiri Mumanyi asa magenda takokora mushimi Obiri Innocent Mumanyi igaruete chipasa riko cha university 10,000 for the first time totana karora gento bunekyo igo bono njengo tabangaki omushimi gotwarorera ochakire gokora amagendero aramaya
okini birongo vocational training center tonyebeke bonebe a technical training institute ndoje ngeyaro jagokonya buya soro gongorua chache nenga kibona abantu bakore gasi ya magoko na intwe toko
Ekiombe kia Dream Team Sister CBO ni gori tukori rero bakora egikaro gichinkwana na bana abanyoroka abana bo basaye gochakira emyaka 10 goika emyaka 24 nigo baba gosemiwa igoro ya mangana yo bwanchani amo na mangana yichisegi chegenka bago semigwa asegi karekyo yakorekana se skuru ya St Patrick Mosocho eyego toka ase bunge ya Kitutu Chache South Meye County ya Kisii.
Asa marita ankoruku districts Orondo Gondo moteneriwe ekiobege koruku DTS stands for Dream Team Sisters ekiobeke iga ekere kiabasobati boka nande ke gotene ketenelete aso kwegerera obwene bwa abana abanyaroka nabasobati twabaire togosomya abana baito ase school ao netikanisa igoro ya SGBV gender based violence and sexual violence naki abana abaita abanyaroka bakonyara wetanga na mangana ya iga especially amangana yo gutinda cherunse na abana abamura gusaba sacha twabere toko bateye banyare gotenena for their rights nabo igo banyare go speak out for the voiceless nabo igo banyare kumanya nga nkike bwabene tokoba muna abana abanyaroka
ekiombeki gya tokonyira mono gaiga se school kiera abana baitorero banyare ko baba kumanya na kibakwirenda amarito airanire nserero bana bali gotige school sengenje ogorito abana rero banyarire ko babakumanyanga bari gutumia birewa buna chisigara buna gotinda na bintu binde biranyare ko babeka mba bisa go che school abana mbali bagatigire school mapema baenda kunywa murero nto bwa detention yere igura abana mbali class ime toranyara konyora to konyora abana bake bakunga inu baende kunywa mu ase chinywa mu chia mapema.
Abonjoria bo mochiokiroka nige mambia rero babo kabanyora asara enene maiga yabantu batemanyiri kwenda na gusamba seba okorera obonjiri bwabo asechireyo yakeroka ase abintu biri bakonye bakonya buna matunda amakara nonyane bitanda biri bakwara byaba bigosambwa obotukobo gukera rero nigo bono baganirie esekari ye county ya Kisii amo ne county ya Nyamira gocha amo erigukora engusa no eyuegenrete ase omochoyo keroka
bero moroje mbatagete abana babo bakigosoma
makara ngoro kurosi omani amakara ekane natikoboka bana mambi egende gyo goshangasha kama kawaida ngichaso boncho ribwanerera ramis namye konyore kene abitanda byane bisambire amakara asambire chikuninta maitire ngachire emetoriro amatakaro kabantigerete funande igabu na rosi oyongo kwana embwate chiteni chabande chungu nzima chi 20% no amenyerete njasenge njonda bwati amakonya no musaka timbwati antigerete bimwane bike na bikine iryobororo injera kirende bona makara nago sambu na chire koretera abana bane na bakwende school umwana narombegete university no ngosomeri korwa umwana narombegete form 1 no ngosomeri
stock yote tulichukua maroni tukaweka makara. Wamechoma, serikali itatusaidiaje ingale watoto wakule
bali baba angete ko cyakero umubangi nabo murayo igoro nyasaye tamotiga twaragere iriga keroka kinange kayo mbaenda chikoti betete nyasaye tabati konye mbago cyabasaba abanyabyasara bakeroka abanyina bali abanyina aba bakorera gayiga nabanyina babo abanyina moke na baba yete chikura ninki bako baboli ninki bako basambera paka bese sibakorusya moroje mbatagete babero moroje mbatagete abana babo bakigosoma kurango barere
abatanani bechi wadi korwase county ya Kisii nigo bono berure kurwania chisegi chegenka ogotachirwa inse kwa bana abanyaruka amo noborire bwenyamoreo nigo bayakwana yaigachingaki baringe ase ekeikaro kyo kyariganirwa ne kyombe ya serikali eri okumorekera gose kokwanira igoro kerengete kokwanira igoro yomubaro obwa bantu asa bakenya bono basemigwa kutiga ebikore byo kunereria abana abanyaruka erinde nabo igo kwegenda ko basira eri okwegenderia ase amagemabo.
Because we've come up with a way forward that's going to help our population. Like, for example, if we have less population, like we've said, we manage the population, for the families to have a number of children they can be able to be responsible for, take them to school, make sure they have good health, we'll have a progress Kenya.
So we are focusing and saying that whatever form of gender-based violence it is, let's have a rescue center that has an intervention that is wholesome, and it makes that rescue center for a one-stop shop for the target population.
We have daughters who are that young. Some of us are almost becoming now grandfathers, and we need to look at this problem as a communal problem, and then we must also develop communal mechanisms as a community to address the teenage pregnancies and also the gender-based violence, which is contributing to a lot of problems within our community.
Muwaziri boboremi mitika linturi nigori tukoria rero aikabosio bwebunge ye Senate ase committee eri mukomoregera mangana yoboremi abo asarenge koringori wanakubori wa maswali igoro ya mangana yobo borimo obo bwabeire bokonerwa abarime ase ensito ya Kenya chinga kyaringe ase gekarekyo nigori nturi akana na gotebna abo yobo borimo tibo yo Kenya ase bono bagendrete koringoria na kotuka kora igoro yobo oborimo ase egekekega nigo kampuni ya Kels Chemicals ibono yaba ke gotenenigwa ase se gose kwana na oboyo goche ase serikali aya maiga yoboyo okoro ase kampuni yo ya Kels Chemicals bwabete boko botebekana unati boikiraneti ebirengo biri bibonete wikiranirwa erindi bomanye gotumeka
televised divorce televised life on a divorce matter was mine in the history of the world, and divorce matters hand in camera, so you may understand what it means, and then that you want to get us into never anywhere, and for a divorce, for a marriage that never existed. So please, Chairman, please, I don't want to get into that drama. Please let me be spared out of it, but I've just decided to mention so that you understand. And when I say people can use, you all bring stories, Chair, I am in my mind. But let me ask, even assuming as a human being, if I had control and I was to make a decision whether to want him attend or not, out of the pain I've gone through, do you think I would have done it? The issue before us is a very, very sensitive issue. And this is a very sensitive issue, and I don't want any impression created anywhere by any member that my fertilizer subsidy program in the country, we are distributing fake fertilizer. I would want anyone to use language that is understandable. I would refer to a standard
point of order,
like substandard
point of order, Chair. We went around the country, and I don't know why the Honorable Cabinet Secretary would want to create the impression that indeed there is no fake fertilizer. There is fake fertilizer. And I think, Honorable Waziri, it is important that we put it and we say the way it is. We saw farmers crying, and I do not know why you'd want to say that there isn't. We saw it with our own eyes. We have photographic and video evidence. Waziri, we have samples in our cars. We can share with you, just in case your officers have not checked.
Abara ikurase kiama KODM bakorawa na Raila Odinga nigo ritukoria rero besokia no kwanira chinyumba cyo wararia ase ekirenga ekenana gechinkwana icho kyaringe igoro ya omugiro bw'abanyagitari oyogendrete ase chiki sato boniga ime iyense bagaraira kwana ase chinga kecho nigo bono atebire buna nigo eserikali ewenete wesokia na okora chinkwano egati y'abanyagitari erinde banyale gukora na gusonsana na emechando ejwe eregati ya abone yeserikali amo n'abanyagitari aseboyigo atebamna nigo abakenya bange babire bawo chandika kubwatikana n'umugiro bw'abanyagitari abono kubori ya serikali wikirania amaganiyo y'abanyagitari asobwango mono erinde banyale kuiranirira emirimo yabo na gokonya abakenya abo bagendrete guchandika.
Doctors are complaining about a free-for-all system where some employers have the free hand to decide what to pay. The result has been a very unequal system where doctors hired to do the same job experience huge variation in salaries. The medical profession is too important to be managed so casually. The ministry must intervene for the doctors. 5, and procedural termination of services. I have terminated contracts of the doctors for one reason or another to reconsider their actions and engage the doctors. The counties that have done so or are in the process of doing so know themselves. I request them to reconsider their steps. I believe that the above actions, if taken in consultation with the union, will see us avert the crisis that's building up in the health sector and pave ways for less antagonistic engagement. This is a crisis that has serious ramifications. We want this crisis to be resolved. We have not spoken before, but we want the government to take notice that we cannot remain silent for a longer time when this is persisting. We ask them to act now. And if they don't, of course they know there's the consequence.
Mwancho murigeria oyenoro mwerio wa mangana maya senchera ya boniga senchera yobwenge yanda kurigeta sene Kyandize TV elwe manya mange na wesomya na boigo kwegokya eretari ane Dorcas Kimoma na igo twabwatirana nere Lydia Mose oyore ukumanya wetera senchera yemenyerio nere Sara Mumanye ana kyamario ginechi bichawe kire asenchera yobwekirano ayamananda mange no nyanyawale chikoraga ensa ya moya bono maragoba asenchera yobwagari twara oburigerio Kyandize TV na bo wansu womugusi.
Omoibuli koiru mwana we skuru mbuya korende nkobwatire skuru kikwa moira eriyo konyora migirio yebirengo bigoro Potters Premium School na ubagosoira ime migo babwate ebirasi kurwa playgroup PP1 PP2 grade 1 gweka grade 3 eskuru nigebwate aborokia babwatu bumanyi bwigoro na boigo baisaine nigeren semo tabwatirioge erengia asobosomera mbabwata magacho yekerero kurwa bali dagira ya balanced diet nechigari cy'ubusombi nkwegeria bale amangana y'ubu Kristo eri ukorongeje chimbwa cy'abana bamura n'abanyaruka lero eskurugia asumurubiri UCBC imela kisi nigo babwate ebirase bibwata mabaga manene laboratory ibwate equipment chonsi naboigo ribagari nene aborokibwa bakogosoreria mbabwate music classes, swimming classes, computer studies, home science, young chef classes, Kenya Sign Language classes, naboigo clubs and societies. Utarigotiga magiga, chigosori chonsi. Admission nigegenderete. Nigo bagotuka, ensemo ya nyatiko. Angena mwisho walami. Chikilomita isano chuka, kubuase tauni ya Kisii.
I love my school because it is the best place for learning. Welcome to Potters Premium.
Vakirisimi asenamba enoti isano na ibere isateyemo isano ne moibere isano ne moibere isano ne zetu inye gose enoti isano na ibere yemo kianda isano ne zetu isano na ibere isato isano Potters Premium School nyorero mwana oribaga genkyo